welcome back to my channel, Rainy Creativity. So today we are about to do something very simple using a jersey scarf. This is stretchy fabric, okay? It really stretches from both ends, okay? It stretches here, it stretches on the length side and the width side, okay? So as usual, because I have short hair, I'll always have to get this bulky at the back. So I'm just going to use this, I'm going to use wrinkle scarf. It's called wrinkle scarf, very light scarf. You can even see it at the back, very light. It's not heavy at all. So if you have short hair and you want to try this, feel free to do so. Remember, I don't force anybody to do something they don't want to do, okay? This is my choice. So I'm going to pack it at the back to give the hair wrap some volume, okay? You can do yours without it. So today I'm not wearing any frontal. I feel like not wearing frontal today. So let's go. Alright, so now let's get into the tutorial itself. So this fabric is 2 years and it stretches very well at the both at the length and the width side, okay? The width and the length, it stretches very well. All right, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to take it to the back like this. I'm dividing it into two, okay? Like this, 50-50. See, it really stretches. And then I'll go like this. Alright. And then I'm going to twist or cross. Sorry, I'm going to cross instead. I'm going to cross. Okay. I hope you can see it. And then cross again. Like this. Let me push the net back a bit. All right, so now I'm going to take this one round like this, and then right here you're just going to tuck it in. Okay, so I'm going to bring it like this, and then I'm going to tuck it in here. And then bring this one here. Alright, so we are taking this side like this. And then we are going to pass it from here, okay, at the back here. So I want to raise it up gently. So I'm looking for the gateway. No. Okay, I found it now. Okay, so now I'm going to pass it through it like this. And then bring it up a bit. And then I'll spread it. bring it to the side a little bit. So just be creative here, okay? Just be playing with it and then just create something like. So this one that it keeps falling like that, I can just support it with pin to just pin it down like this. I use office pin or straight pin. This is the pin I use. Okay, you can just use it to clip it down so that it will fix it on it so that it will not keep on falling like that. Okay, so that is it for this style. So if you have any scarf that stretches like this, you can use it for this design. Okay, I hope you love it and you're going to give it a try. So let's check the back. Here's the back. And here's the front view. I have done this head wrap on my reels, on the short videos, the short fast videos, and the comment I'm getting shows that I have to do the full tutorial on it. So that is why I've taken my time here to take you through step by step. Please don't forget to subscribe if you want to be learning more beautiful styles like this on this channel. Please subscribe, set the notification bell on. It's very important so that anytime I post, you always get a notification that Irene have posted. Okay, so please set the notification bell on and don't forget to comment. Please comment, let me have feedback on this head wrap, okay? And then let me have my likes if you like it. All right, thank you for your time and thank you for watching. Let me put on my earrings and then we are done for today's tutorial. Love you all as always.